Hey guys, this is our first official video for our new channel.
Triangle Bros!
Yeah! And so today we found something very strange in his front yard.
There was a horse and a goat running around the neighborhood. And so,
well,
enjoy the following video.
Yes, no horses were injured in this video.
Or goats.
If Michaela was here, she'd know how to stop it.
Wait, give it your apple.
Sir,
Hey there, bud.
yes, Triangle Bros, we're going animal hunting right now.
There's a horse! It probably got away from that one farm. Owen!
You better grab the goat's collar.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's go!
If it let you.
Hi, sir.
He won't. He's following me.
This is the first video that's going up on Triangle Bros. Right now we're animal hunting. There is a goat and a horse running all over our neighborhood. Let's chase the goat! Horse! This is insane! This is insane!
Well, what's left of
This
it?
is like actually crazy.
Yeah, take it.
What's it doing?
Whoops!
Oh my gosh! There's a horse and a goat running around our neighborhood.
Stay away
Oh my gosh!
from its back legs. Stay away from its back legs.
I know. Look at the horse. There's a horse and a goat. What is happening? Hi guys.
Here, put it down.
You guys are going on YouTube.
Oh, I got
You want the apple? Who's peeing? Ew, I think the goat's peeing.
That's disgusting.
What is happening? Can I keep it?
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, did you hear the goat?
He made
Eat it, man. What the heck?
horse.
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Horse.
Hello, goat. Rick. I don't want to get near the horse. I'm afraid it's going to like kick me. it
Here he
rejected
goes.
you. Oh, dude, he just hit its hoof. What the heck? What is there? Just animals running around our neighborhood.
It looks like they like this grass.
What the heck is happening? It's so wet.
He looks very skinny.
Oh my gosh. You are very skinny. Have you eaten in a while?
Are you okay?
Touch the horse, you know.
Here, take the camera. Take the camera. Point it at me.
Gosh.
Hi, buddy.
Got it. I got a picture.
There's a random goat and a horse in the neighborhood.
That's a heck. Like, I've never seen that before.
This is amazing.
Dude, look over here.
Like, I don't think they're
The
wild.
goat is so calm.
No, but I don't think they're wild.
I know, they're definitely not wild. They have collars on. You want to come over here? Dude, look, I got hold of the goat.
You think they're someone's pet?
Oh, it's so soft.
I mean, he's about to become my
He's so
pet.
soft.
Oh, look at his balls. That's disgusting. Look at it.
I think the goat and the horse get along very well.
Ah. Hey, buds.
Hi, guys.
Whenever I try to...
I'm glad we came outside just now.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
We almost stayed inside.
Like, we come out to play hillbilly tennis and then we see these.
And then we actually see a Why would there just be two random animals flying, going around the neighborhood?
I don't know.
Healed.
I want to keep them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Steven, over here.
Whoa.
Look, the horse is running
Now in
away.
its unnatural habitat,
unnatural.
you see a goat.
No, don't go in the woods.
See a goat and a horse.
Don't let it go in the woods.
No.
Olivia, don't be afraid. It's a goat.
No,
Don't let him run away.
No, just leave him.
No.
He came from the
That's
woods.
Rude. What is happening? Here, give me the camera.
No, there's a farm. There's a farm back all the way.
I know. We need to give him back or something. We need to call like animal control.
Steven,
you're from me.
the horse is going.
There's the goat. The goat and the horse is running away. I hope you guys are enjoying this first video we're putting on the Triangle Bros. Oh my gosh. Run, oh, stayed inside.
Like, we come out to play hillbilly tennis and then we see these.
And then we actually see a Why would there just be two random animals flying, going around the neighborhood?
I don't know.
Healed.
I want to keep them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Steven, over here.
Whoa.
Look, the horse is running
Now in
away.
its unnatural habitat,
unnatural.
you see a goat.
No, don't go in the woods.
See a goat and a horse.
Don't let it go in the woods.
No.
Olivia, don't be afraid. It's the goats.
No,
Don't let it run away.
No, just leave him.
No.
He came from the woods.
Rude. What is happening? They're gonna get
No, there's a farm. There's a farm back all the way.
I know. We need to give him back or something. We need to call like animal control. Steven, you saw me.
The horse is going.
So is the goat. Let go. And the horse is running away. I hope you guys are enjoying this first video we're putting on the Triangle Bros. Oh my gosh. Run, look at what is happening.
The goat has a beard. The goat has a beard. Look at the goat's beard.
What's happening? Olivia, no we're not. Look, hoof prints.
Wait, let's wait.
Hoof prints. Steven.
Well, while you're having the saddest time of your life, I'm having the best time of my
No,
life.
wait.
Olivia.
I hope you guys are enjoying the first video we're putting on the Triangle Bros.
Crap.
This is so insane.
Guys, stop! You're kind of scary.
Olivia, it's okay. Wait, let's try to lead him into the garage.
Get your mom out here.
Get him in the garage. Get him in the garage.
Get him in the garage.
Get him in the garage. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my gosh. It's going crazy. What is happening?
Horsey.
Hello, Mr. Goat. Do you mind if I pet you? Okay, bye.
Stop.
I don't know what's happening right now.
Oh, there.
Oh. What is going on? What is going on
Guys,
right
just
now?
get back for a while.
Okay, be very, very quiet, guys. No, Gideon! Stop! Steven! You're so mean. Steven, lead it back over this way. Steven, lead it back this way.
Get it back to his farm. Get it to his farm.
He's falling and he can't giddy up.
Oh yeah, that's a joke.
I know that's a joke. Come on, Mr. Goat. Do you want to go home? Oh, he made a noise. Did you hear that?
Bye.
Yep, it was a big.
Yeah, take the camera.
No,
I'm
yeah,
gonna lead the
that
horse.
noise was a.
I'm gonna lead the horse back to the.
Our dog always fights.
I don't think it's person trained.
I know, but it has reins on it.
Looks like a pony.
That's okay. It's the horse that.
Look at his beard, though.
I know.
The beard.
He's not. What the heck? That horse is so weird.
What the heck? Here, Steven, do you think you can lead it back to our house?
I don't know.
You have to try, okay?
Like, do you have any carrots?
Not the kind that they eat.
Oh, and
Do they eat any carrots? They eat carrots?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about I have the little finger kind only.
Oh, you don't have those big ones?
No. Come on, guys. Oh, one pooped. Steven, lead it back to the house. You're leading it uphill.
shut up.
Wait, let's see what it does in their yard.
Oh my gosh. This is actually. Oh my gosh, it pooped.
Oh, was
It
that the dog?
pooped.
Was that the dog?
No, that's the dog they have.
Oh, it's a dog.
It's peeing. Oh, yeah, that's.
What the heck is happening? Animals are invading the city. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. And now they're running away.